What's up mga quiz, mga tis? Welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung teaser trailer or teaser ng music video ng isa sa mga member ng sigat na P-pop crew ng Pilipinas. Ito yung SB19 at yung member na yun ay si Ken or si Philip Suson. Kung tama ba ako yun, si Philip Suson. So ang papakinggan natin is yung teaser ng bago niyang song na Fake Faces, na yung original song, yung buong song niya i-release mamayang tanghali. So ngayon, ito muna tayo, pakinggan muna natin yung teaser. So with no further ado, let's watch the video and later I'll be giving my reaction and opinion on the said teaser. So let's go!
They love me, then they hate me. I'm never enough, and I try to give what they want from me. This one-sided love is slowly killing me. So don't tell me it's wrong, 'cause it's not. I don't trust nobody, I put up these walls. They just wanna use me until I'm fired up. Fake faces come and go, and I don't know where I should go, 'cause I got no place to go. Fake faces come and go.
Okay, tayo ko na pala tayo yung teaser ng music video ni at ng song ni Ken or Philip ng SB19. So ang masasabi ko, ang ganda-ganda ng song. Parang nagpulik alaala ko, nag-reminisce ako sa kabataan ko, because yung song, it sounded like yung mga very familiar songs during the late 90s to early 2000s. Ito yung mga pop rock songs, yung mga mala Linkin Park, mala Limp Bizkit, and many more. Pwede ko masabing alternative yung dating ng song, kasi may something pa ganun rin. But again, ang ganda-ganda ng song. Ang ganda yung beat, ang ganda yung, as in, maganda, and very catchy rin yung mga lyrics niya, and ang dali-dali yung intindihin yung lyrics rin. So nandun na agad yung meaning at yung kahulugan ng song. So on point, unlike yung iba na masyadong matalanghali mga words na ginagamit nila. Here, talagang malalaman mo agad na anong meaning ng song. So it's about fake people, about panggap ng mga tao, diba? Yung mga, alam na natin yan. So yun, so ang galing-galing ng song, and I'm excited to see the full song and even the full music video. Kaya yun is mga quiz, kung pinapanood nyo itong video na to, pasyalan nyo. I don't know kung kailan ko gagawa ng reaction yun, yung full music video na ilalabas today, tanghali, at gagawan ko yan ng reaction sa ibang channel ko to, sa mas yung original channel ko, yung ang Pili talaga channel. So kasi mga music yung ginagawan ko ng reaction doon, so doon ko ilalagay yung reaction ko ng full music video sa full song ni Ken ng SB19. So here, teaser muna. So kayo, so there you go. So guys, mga quiz, mga artist, nagustuhan nyo ba yung teaser ng music video at ng song ni Ken ng SB19? Mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo naman video ko opinion about the song, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba, and I will read all your comments and I will try to react kung kailangan ko mag-react. So there you go. Before I end this video, please don't forget to support us while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Alas Kisyo, ang Pinoy talaga channel, Brody Vlog, and the People Present. So maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.